designing a system or engineering a system for a specific site, we spend a lot of time talking with the team and with the site managers on what they're doing, what their current SOPs are, and how those will either be compatible with the system or how we'll either need to redesign the system to allow for them, or talk about how we're going to change SOPs to best fit the system. So there are a couple specific examples that we come across quite often. So the first is if it's a smaller lab or research facility that hasn't historically used an effluent decontamination system, but is now looking to put one in. They may have SOPs where when they're done with a sample in a petri dish or a sample in a test tube, the protocol calls for mixed diluted bleach in with the sample, swirl it around, and then rinse it down the sink with enough water that is running for at least 2 minutes, let's say, to flush that bleached sample kind of down the drain. This works great in place of an EDS system, but if you're putting in metal tanks that are heated downstream of that, putting bleach in contact with that metal will reduce the effectiveness and the lifespan of that system. And when we're looking at system designs that have 15 to 20-year expected lifespans minimum, that are often in harder to access parts of the building, whose uptime is directly correlated with the proper functioning of the facility, that can have a huge impact.